In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace the printhead. Prepare a static safe work area. Disconnect power and open the printer. Release the retainer on the right side of the printhead. Move to the right to release the left side of the printhead. Remove the two printhead connectors. Remove the ground wire. Connect the two printhead cables first. Connect the ground wire to the lug. Align the left end of the printhead. Apply pressure at the right end of the printhead to engage the retainer. Ensure the printhead moves freely. Clean the printhead before using the printer.